How to sponsor a black welder from the ages of 12 to 24. And I know you're probably wondering, why would I just be specific and say black welders from the ages of 12 to 24? Well, that is the ages where our culture has had the most issues, and it is promised that by the age of 24, if we don't get any help, majority of our black youth will either be on drugs, in prison, in gangs, or in some type of abusive relationship. So we got to break these chains and curses. And this is targeted to our black youth because this is where we need help in the rural areas. And I really want to help my black people in those areas gain a skill because a lot of them feel like they can't get out of the situation. There's no way out. There's no way to learn something new. There's so many obstacles and hurdles they have to climb in order to get an education. And I want to break that. And the reason why is because here in the rural area where I'm at in Southeast Arkansas, there is a need for education. And if no one give them no needed education, they'll be walking around about 7 or 8 o'clock in the morning with beers in their hand, getting high, doing things to pass time, making babies that they can't take care of. My goal is to help break that curse. And I think in order for us to do that, someone had to lead by example. So I'm targeting the black youth. I am a member of the BBA, Big Brother Anonymous in Georgia, and actually in East Point, Georgia, that is actually also a associate and member of the Big Brother Anonymous, which is part of the Obama Foundation. And we target the areas where it's needed the most, especially for our people, for the black people, because we have different needs in our communities. And since I'm here in Southeast Arkansas, I want to offer my welding skills and my welding abilities in this area and to actually help someone. So for those who really want to help someone from the ages of 12 to the ages of 24 learning, and they don't have the full funds themselves, and you want to be able to help them, we all know everything costs money, but I will tell you how this program will work. For $750, we will fund a student. We will buy the welding gear that they need, from their welding hood to their welding garments. They have to actually buy them some boots, but if someone want to help furnish them some boots, we'll have a program for that later. But this is just for the welding equipment only. And then we'll get them the safety PPE, and then we'll teach them how to either stick weld or MIG weld. But right now we know that is a great demanding in the MIG welding field because it's more economical. So if we want to help them get some jobs and be able to gain their skills further, I think that the main thing that we should teach them is how to MIG weld in at least 3 positions. And we know they can be able to get a job to help change their lives. And as they get hungry, they can learn more and more. So if you want to be a part of this program, I'm willing to give my time. Like I say, part of that $750 is going to buy their gear because we want to get them ready. There's nothing like going to school on the first day with a nice outfit. You know, some of us wasn't fortunate enough to have nice clothes. And I remember growing up where I had friends of mine in the store that gave me an extra $10 so I can get a pair of Nikes because, you know, it was the first day of school and I wasn't fortunate. So I know how it is, and we know that everything takes money, buying the equipment, the welding stuff, the wire, the gas, and the things I need, including my time. But I'm willing to donate my time so we can change the situation for our black youth. So I just need someone to help me out. We know different people in different areas. You might know someone in Monticello, someone in Lake Village. I'm in McGee, actually. You might know someone in Deramar, Watson, Dumas, whatever it is in the surrounding area. Arkansas City, I'm in McGee, and I want to be able to help the black youth from the ages of 12 to 24 with this scholarship program. It's $750. So if you want to fund someone, that money will go towards a great benefit. It goes towards them getting the equipment they need, and then me setting my time up and then buying the welding stuff that they need, the gas and the wire to actually kick them off. So if that's something you want to do, I want to be able to offer it because I see the need, family. I see it. Our kids walking around young, don't know what to do. They even chasing a sport, or they're trying to chase some type of unrealistic position inside of the music industry or the entertainment industry without having a solid career that could actually keep them stable while they're still chasing their dreams. You know, that's okay. But we have to show them something. And from the ages of 12 to 24 is where the need is in our community, family. If we don't do nothing, if we don't help them, we can't expect them to do better. So I'm here in McGee, Arkansas, and I'm willing to give my time. I'm willing to give the education that is needed to help them gain some skills. But as we know, know it takes money. So if you want to fund someone, $750 will help me get the things I need, get them the things they need, and we can start producing some more educated, career leading black man inside of America. And everybody can guide their own ways. But I think if we have something to start from, family, something to start from, we can go further. And my goal is to start having meetings where we can get together and have some more tradesmen come and share their experiences and have it where they can learn something in different settings. But right now, I'm here, family. I'm by myself. I'm willing to do what it takes. I got time on my hand, and I know there's many kids, there's many people who need help. So if that's you in whatever area you're in, my new phone number for business is 870-501-1974. That's 870-501-1974. And my goal is to really aid and assist our black youth. Like, if we really going to grow and develop, if we really going to give back, we got to start by even assisting them or coming in ourselves and teaching them. And since most people like to talk about it and not be about it, I'm going to be about it, and I'm going to talk about it, and I'm going to show you I'm going to help change some black lives, but I can't do it by myself. I need your help. And if that's you, help me help someone else get their hog on, family. Black Phoenix.